Alright everyone, good evening. So today I'm going to take you to a special place where they prepare different types of omelets in Mysore. So I'm going to take you there and have a small food experience and take you around the roads from here where I go. So it's amazing feeling, amazing place. So let's go. So yeah, we go. This is a commercial place with all the banks around, and you have Cult Fit in Mysore. There's a temple there. So from here we need to take a right. Mysore University Road. You have a good palace here. It's covered with trees. I'll try to show you guys. Nice old historical place. See, it's beautiful. So yeah, back to road. So this is the place where they have delicious eggs, different types of eggs. Let's try here. So this is the place we have finally reached, and it's called as Mysore Egg Palace. So it's amazing. They have different types of omelets. I'm going to show you guys and have a look and feel and try to come here and taste the food over here. So they have different types of omelets. So this is the person who's going to cook. He's a chef. Sir, you what do you So this is chili mix with boiled eggs, and we're going to mix with all the spices. Chutney with it. Your sir? Ginesh. So he's Ginesh? Girish. Okay. Sorry. So he's Girish. Very famous in Mysore. Try to come here and have a taste. So sir, what are you cooking it for me? Huh? Some special food, some special omelette. What are you? Chatpat omelette, pizza. Which is good? Which is good? Pizza. So you make pizza for me. You can see they have two karai.
Special off-boiled.
So they have menu here. So they have egg pizza, egg papad, French toast. All these are menu. Amazing. Lots of varieties of omelette. Toppings with pepper and some coriander leaves.
Thank you. No size, brother. No, this one. One chatpato, one mix. No, then put it. But I put it on the
They are really different in cooking, so I have never seen an omelette like this in different style.
French toast.
Okay, this is French toast. So here we go, our omelette gonna get ready now. So this is pizza. So 2 eggs, salt, paprika, and little hidden masala which we have secret masala on it. And this here go with onions and tomatoes and bread pieces.
There is 100. One thing is better. Payment of 100 rupees. One bada omelette होंगे ना?
So looks amazing, you can see. We're gonna start eating it now. It's really hot.
Thank you.
It's really hot. So let's taste it and tell you the feedback. Amazing. Really different, but lovely. The taste is amazing. So let me finish my food. Till then, subscribe, like my video, and share my videos to your friends, family. Cheers. So yeah, we had a good experience here. So you have a lot of stalls. You have dosa stall, you have gobi stall. So all fast food, but the food from there amazing. You can just try, come here and experience the food. You have all the stalls over here. So stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe to my channel and like my video. So I'm gonna come up with new videos very soon. Cheers.